Hello. Mm.
People, welcome and welcome back to this channel of amazing recipes, Arabic foods. Arabic foods are a channel which deals with African traditional recipes, modern breakfast tips, idea, travel, and events. So if you're new in this channel, please feel welcome, feel appreciated, view my videos and give them a like. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you share to other social network, and please press onto that bell button so that whenever posting a video, you'll be among the first people to see my videos. So my people, today I'm back with this recipe, one of the top 10 Kenyan recipes. So guys, in African countries, there are most 10 favored recipe. So what this one is called MUTURA. MUTURA is a Kenyan language, but if you're not understanding it, it's a form of a sausage made from the stripe of goat. So this is what we are going to do. It's a street food in Kenya. It's loved by everyone, especially along the street as an evening. We can also call it an evening snack. But this is what I'm going to do. So guys, kindly watch this video and see how you can make amazing mutura. And then guys, I know there are many people who love mutura, but the fact that it's a street food, maybe they're exposed to dust and all that, they would wish to do them at home. So if you are one of them, kindly watch this video till the end and then do mutura just at home.
So guys, this is the grounded beef that I have here for my mutura. I have spring onions, I have green bell pepper, I have coriander, I have red onions, I have garlic, and then oil, cooking oil. So stay tuned. So I will start with this. I'm going to start by making this grounded beef first. Start by picking your red onion first. Make sure once they become translucent, add in the spring onions. Then add garlic. Make sure you give it a good stir. Then once your onion has become translucent, you add the spring onions. So mix them all together, cook them together. Then we are going to add green bell pepper also, and then mix it well, then coriander. Then you can add some salt to taste. And then make sure your vegetables cook well before you add in the grounded beef. So once it has cooked, you can add some spices of your own choice. And guys, remember, for commercials, motura, it's a choice to add spices. But for home cooked motura, you can use spices of your own choice. So like now I've used tumeric and some curry powder, beef powder, sorry. So make sure you mix up everything so that it can be tasty. So once your greens have cooked, I can see mine is now ready. So this is the time now you can add in your grounded beef. Mix well. Make sure you mix well that every part of it is well mixed. Guys, this is 1 kg of grounded beef. So keep mixing as it cooks. Keep mixing so that they don't get into lumps. Keep mixing. So now you can just cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. So guys, at this point, those who love chili peppers, you can add some chili pepper for a nice taste. So guys, make sure it cooks well to ensure that all water is drained. Because when water is not well drained, it will not produce the best sausage. So make sure that it dries up. Come on, let's check if there's water. Look, guys. Yeah, this time you should not take it out until all this that you see here is well drained. So you can see. So we are going to let it cook a bit as we wait. Come on guys, I hope it is now well because I can't see any water again. So this is ready. So look at it guys, you can see it is very dry. So this is how you are supposed to make your grounded beef before you prepare the pipes from MUTURA. So I'll keep it aside to cool as I prepare my pipe. So guys, you could know what this is. This is the intestine for goat, from goat. So there's this large one that people normally use as meat. You see this one. So make sure you wash them well. The reason why people don't love taking the ones from the street is because they are not washed. So make sure you wash them well. Then guys, I'm using this bottle here, water bottle here to squeeze in my beef. So we are going to squeeze in the beef. You can use any possible way that you know. For me, this is the best method for me, and I find it very fast with the help of a tablespoon. So see, this is how I scoop my beef, and then I insert it inside the pipe or the intestine of MUTURA. So guys, as you squeeze in inside, you make sure you push it to the end to make sure that everything is fitted well. Then with the help of a toothpick, you can use it to tie the edges at the end like what I'm just doing here now. You seem to ensure that the beef doesn't come out. Then on the other side of the pipe, you also tie them. So this is what I've done. So from this other side, you also tie them this way, so that the beef doesn't come out. So these pipes they are sold if you want them like this. So now guys, just look at this.
I think this one is a big size, but I don't know. I don't know what you think. Kindly comment and tell me what you think about my sausage or African sausage or MUTURA. So guys, you can see them. I already have two. There's one short one here. This one. So 1 kg of my grounded beef. This is what I've gotten from them. These are the sausages that I've made. So stay tuned for the next step. So guys, after this, I'm going to boil them. Put them in a saucepan now with water. So we are going to boil them first. Look at the oil. All this is the oil. So when you boil them, make sure that at least they release some oil. You can see how oily the place they look. Then now preparing my local grill, wiping it, make sure because you're going to put food there, make sure you clean the grill well. Then you use some foil paper. Like what I'm doing, place some foil paper. Foil will help them not to get burnt, will also protect them from the smoke, and also it's also a clean or safer way of keeping your mturas. So arrange them this way, the way I'm doing them. Then spread some little oil on top just to lubricate them. So guys, as they cook, you keep turning them so that the other side they cannot get burned. So you keep turning them. Then use a toothpick to prick in between so that the oil can come out. You can see the guys the way the oil is coming out to give them at least room to cook well. So guys, make sure you keep turning so that they can cook well. Make sure they cook until they brown. Guys, if you don't have this local grill, you can use oven grill. Can do it even much better. Wow, look at my MUTURA. Wow, so appetizing, guys. So I'm just going to cut them. So they normally sell it at 20 bob piece like this, just a piece like that, 20 bob along the streets. And you can see how well cooked it is. Very nice. I started from frying them. So to serve people, this is how it's served. You cut them into pieces. So meanwhile, I'll prepare some Kenyan salad called kachumbari or guacamole. So guys, this is kachumbari, a mixture of onions, tomatoes, coriander, some chili pepper, and then best served like this. So you can take it just the way it is, or you can use some Kenyan ugali to serve it. And then we can also use some guacamole as well. Guys, it's very nice and tasty. You can try it at home. So guacamole, that is adding avocado to it, is also can also
make it even more tastier. So if you so wish, you can use Kenyan kachumbari or guacamole. Wow, what a wonderful meal. Guys, kindly try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye. Welcome.